araw, panibagong
Challenge number 4, round 1 na ngayon. Alam nyo ba kung ano ang magiging challenge ninyo ngayong araw?
Hindi po!
Ito lang naman ang lip reading challenge. Kung saan, nagbigay ako ng category na kailangan ninyong hulaan. At ang category na yon ay iba't ibang music love song. Nag-prepare ako ng mga music na dapat ninyong pahulaan. Kagaya ng ibang challenge, kung sino may pinaka-fastest time, ang siyang panalo. Simula tayo sa Heyla na si Hailey, si Ella, kasama si Bella.
Yun!
At ngayon guys, kasama ko na si Ella at syempre si Bella. At ngayon nga pala ay first round ng lip reading challenge. Syempre, bago tayo magsimula, ready na ba kayong dalawa?
Ready na!
Ella, ikaw ang unang manghuhula at Bella naman, ikaw naman ang magpapahula.
Let's go! Let's go!
Ella, lalagay ko na.
Sige.
Bella, pwede mo nang simulan. First word.
First word. First word. Endless love. Ha? Endless love. Endless love. Endless love. Endless love. Endless love.
Second word, second word.
Second. All of me. All of me.
Last word.
Because you love me. Because you love me. Because you love me. Because of me. Because you love me. Because you love me.
Nakuha ni Ella ang tamang sagot sa loob ng 44 seconds. Okay ko na.
Go, Bella.
Pwede mo na simulan, Ella. First word.
Okay, first word. Just the way you are. Ha? Just the way you are. Ano? Just the way you are. Ano? Just the way you are. The way? Just the way you are. Just the way you are.
Second word.
Second word. How deep is your love? Ha? How deep is your love? Ano? How deep is your love? Mission ano? Ano? How deep is your love? Ano? How deep is your love? All of. How deep is your love? Amin. How deep is your love? Ano? How deep is your love? All of me. Only miss your love. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? Only miss your love. Wala na to guys. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? Only miss your love. How deep is your love? Only miss your love. Can't help falling in love.
Kaya mo yan, dali lang
Can't
yan.
help falling in love.
Go!
I'm falling in love. Can't help falling in love. Can't help falling in love. Can't help falling in love.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At dahil umabot na ng 2 minutes at isang sagot lang ang nakuha ni Bella. At syempre, Ella, ikaw ang panalo! Na isasala kaya hindi papakabog na Jelcy na si Angel kasi kasama nila si Chloe!
So yun guys, kasama ko na si Angel pati si Chloe at ito ang first round na lip reading challenge. Si Angel ang unang manghula at si Chloe ang unang magpapahula. Oh, Angel, Chloe, ready na ba kayo?
Ready na.
Pero sayang,
Kasi, will you be my boyfriend?
Chloe. Yes.
Okay ka na? Di mo naririnig?
Sige, una.
Okay. I do it for you. I do it for you. I do it for you. Are you wait for you? I do it for you. Isa pa. I do it for you. I will wait for you. I do it for you. Huh? I do it for you.
Lapit na, malapit na.
I do it for you. Are you?
Are you with me?
I do it for you. I do for you. I do it for you. I do wait for you. Pangalawa.
Galingan mo ah.
I want to know what love is.
Uy, opo.
I want to know what love is. I want you. I want to know what love is. 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 I want to wait. I want to know what love is. I want you to. I want to know what love is. I want to stop. Okay, number 3 na, number 3.
Uy, number 2.
Lips of an angel. Lips of an angel.
Bakala ko.
Lips of an angel. Deep. Lips of an angel.
How deep is your love?
Lips of an angel. Over. Lips of an angel. Over. Lips of an angel.
3, 2, 1. So yun guys, nakakuha si Angel ng 2 minutes.
Hindi ako magaling dito.
Wala. Talo. Bigay mo na lang kay Angel yung points. Tara, Chloe. Oh, Angel, simulan mo na.
First word, Beauty and the Beast.
Madali lang.
Beauty and the Beast.
Nakakuha agad.
A whole new world. A whole new world.
Kaya mo yan. Sige, kaya mo yan.
World.
How to love? Ano?
A whole new world. A whole new world. A whole new world.
Pass, pass, pass.
Go, Chloe, go lang.
Especially for you.
Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan.
Especially for you.
Special for you?
Especially for you. Especially for you.
May elbow.
Especially for you.
Special for you.
Especially.
Especially for you.
You're the one that I want.
You're the one that I want.
So yun guys, nakuha ni Chloe ng 3 sagot sa loob ng 56 seconds.
Okay na rin yun kaysa mawala kami ni Kami. Okay nang panagin yan.
Siyempre, ang panalo sa challenge na to ay walang iba kundi si Chloe! Ang susunod na sasalang walang iba kundi ang bigating Brianna na kasama si Krish.
So guys, kasama ko na po si Yana at si Chris. Ito na po ang challenge number 4 ng round 1 ng lip reading challenge. Okay, bale si Yana po ang manguhula at si Chris po ang magpapahula. Ready na ba kayong dalawa?
Ready na.
Suot mo na.
First word first.
Go, bili. You are the one. Go. You are the Rifa.
Wala na po! Teka na.
Go.
You're still the one.
Go. Sige, wala.
You are still the one.
Wala.
You're still the one. You are still the one. You are still. You are the one. No.
You're still the one.
You are still the one.
You're still the one.
You're
katawan.
Last word.
Matagal na yung oras.
8,000 years.
Wala. 8,000 years?
Oh, so guys, nakakuha po si Yana ng 57 seconds. Krish, ikaw naman mahuhula.
Bilisan mo. Go,
Ibuka mo kasi ang iyong mga bibig.
Okay, first word.
First word.
Like I'm gonna lose you. 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 If I ain't got you. If I ain't got you. If I ain't got you.
Basic.
If I ain't got you. If I ain't love you. If I ain't got you. If I ain't got you. If I ain't got you. Say you won't let go. Say you won't let go. See? Say you won't let go. Say I won't.
No.
Say you won't let go. Say you won't let go.
Grabe! Magkadikit lang yung oras nila guys. Si Krish po ay nakakuha ng 59 seconds. Alam naman po natin kung sino ang panalo, kundi si Yana! Okay, ang susunod naman po yung sasalang ay walang iba kundi ang pangmalakasang Milmi na si Miles at Mish kasama na si Kiara!
So ngayon guys, kasama ko na si Mitch and si Kiara. At syempre, ito na ang first round ng lip reading challenge. So ang mauulang ngayon ay si Mitch at si Kiara naman ang magpapahula. So ano guys, ready na ba kayo?
Yes.
Ready na.
Okay, simulan natin, Mitch.
Okay, first word. On bended knees. Ano? On bended
Favorite song ka na.
All my... Hindi, wala na. On bended knees.
Uy! Tama, on bended knees.
The power of love. Ano? The power of love. The power of love. Can't take my eyes off you. Ano? Can't take my eyes off you. 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 Can't take my eyes off you.
Grabe, sobrang bilis. Ang nakuhang time ni Mitch ay 45 seconds. Ready ka na?
Ready na.
Game na, first word. Stand by me. Stand by me.
Ha?
Stand by me.
She love me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Ano? Stand by me.
Love me like you do.
Ha?
Love me like you do.
Go. Sige.
Love me like you do.
Boy.
Love me like you do.
Love me like you do. Love me.
Wala na to pero.
Go. Love me like you do.
Third word.
Wala na.
Call away.
Ha?
One call away.
What?
One call away. One call away.
What call away?
So, ang score nila hindi magkakaliw dahil si Kiara ay nakakuha ng 56 seconds. So, automatically ang panalo ay walang iba kundi si Mitch. So yun guys, ito na po nagtatapos ang challenge namin for the take. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan i-click ang subscribe button at i-hit na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa vlogs ng Ranka.
And syempre guys, huwag na natin kakalimutan sabihin na
Bawal lang sa